I'm here editing my Google Slide infographic, and I'm going to show you how to insert a chart. I'm currently working on a laptop, so I'm going to delete this image placeholder, and I'm going to go up to Insert and select Chart, and I think I want to do a pie chart. So it automatically puts this pie chart in for me. I am going to click the arrow here and click Open Source, which will bring me into a Google spreadsheet that I can update to reflect the information I want to show in my pie chart. So I think I'm going to call this pizza, and I'm going to show how much people like different types of pizzas. All right, so I've updated my numbers here, and as you can see, it updated each of the pieces of the pie. Now I'm going to double click on the graph, and I can actually customize some things in the chart editor over here. So I am going to go to the pie chart, and if you wanted to make it like a donut hole, you could do that. There's all different kinds of things. I could give it a border. I'm going to actually double click on one of the pieces of the pie, and I can start changing the colors. And then the chart axis and titles, you can change the size of things. I think I need to change this title to pizza, and so on. So you can sort of play with it in here. And then when you're done, and the graph looks the way you want it to, you actually go back into your Google Slides, and now you have an Update Chart button. So if I click that, it actually updates my chart, and I can resize it and get it however I want it in my infographic.